Hey friend, in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 essentials that help me with my alternate day fasting on a GLP-1 weight loss journey. If you are new here, my name is Demetra and I have lost over 168 pounds in a previous weight loss journey, and after a setback, I'm on a new weight loss journey with alternate day fasting and a GLP-1. If you are looking for accountability, community, and support, then hit that subscribe button and join the journey family. And if you are returning, hey friend, all the products in today's video will be found in the description box. The first product that is essential for me is a protein supplement. It is very hard for me to get my protein in and get enough protein in because as I do alternate day fasting and only eat every other day, I need to make sure that I have enough protein in order to prevent loss of muscle mass. So I wanted to share with you my protein of choice. This is a protein supplement that I get on Amazon. It is the Isopure. This one is in the flavor of Tropical Punch. It's my second favorite. I just tried a new one that is my first favorite that I will show you guys. It is 90 calories for 1 scoop, 0 fat, 2 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. I think this is amazing, especially in counting and comparing it towards some protein bars that I have had before. The calorie count on it is low, the carb count on it is low, and it's a powder that you mix with water. It's more like a juice. I don't care for the milkshake type of protein supplements, so this is right up my alley. It's very easy to drink. It dissolves well in the water, and I have a shaker bottle. I put a scoop in there, add my 8 to 12 ounces of water, shake it up, and drink it. And it's very delicious as well. I'll show you my other flavor. This one is the mixed berry blend. And once again, I'll leave the link to both of them in the description box. This has the same as far as the nutrition facts that are shown on the back. So this is one of my essentials, and these are in no certain order. I believe that they are all as equally important for me in my journey. Another essential for me is my smartwatch. I am an Android girl, so this is not an Apple Watch. This is a run-of-the-mill. I think I paid $35 for it on Amazon. Just a plain old smartwatch. It tracks my steps. It has reminders on it for me to drink my water. It tracks my sleep. I feel like that it gives me everything that I need. I'm able to read partial text messages and answer calls, listen to music or videos or anything through my smartwatch. And so yeah, like I said, I'll link it. This is just a plain old smartwatch, but it definitely helps me and motivates me to be more active on my weight loss journey. So, and I need that extra motivation. I would absolutely try it out, especially if you feel like that you need extra motivation or you want to keep better track of your steps. Then I believe that for me in my journey, a smartwatch is essential. And again, I will link this one in the description box. This video is not sponsored. I'm not getting any kind of commission or anything off of these items. I'm just sharing with you what works for me, and maybe it will help somebody else. Now, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that sometimes I'm on the struggle bus when it comes to getting my water. So I do believe it's very important to find the right water bottle that works for you. I'm not a sipper. I do not like water bottles that come with straws. So I know that I prefer a water bottle that you can gulp and I can drink the water faster out of. And so this is, I've showed this one before and I will link it. It is a Drinko water bottle, and I will either take the top off and drink it like this. And like I said, it's a gulping bottle, and I like to fill mine with ice. And sometimes I will take this top off and drink it like that to get even more water in. Maybe not this water bottle is the right one for you, but I highly suggest you find the right water bottle. Whatever is going to encourage you to drink more water is the right water bottle for you. The other one, I showed this as well. This is your 24 to 32 bottle packs of water. This is a great value. This is typically what we pick up, and I prefer these really over the other one. I will gulp this one down to know, okay, this is 16.9 ounces per bottle, and try to get 3 to 4 bottles in, and then I will sip on this one during the day as it sits on my desk while I work. And these items can work for any weight loss journey. Doesn't necessarily pertain to alternate day fasting or GLP-1. This next item, though, is probably somewhat more popular in the GLP-1 community because there's a side effect with the medication of constipation that, if you've watched any of my other videos, you're aware that has been an issue for me here lately. And a lot of people have recommended different things for me. I will say one of the main things that I believe has helped me tremendously is drinking more water. I definitely notice a difference when I drink enough water versus when I don't. One other thing that I'm adding to my regimen, which was recommended by my GLP-1 physician, is a stool softener, and I take that daily. And then when I need a little extra help, I will take a laxative. So I get these both from Walmart. This is the stool softener, Quate brand, and works just as well as any, I'm sure it has for me anyway. And then this is the actual laxative. This does have the stimulant in it, so it's not safe to take these every day. It will say that on the bottle. But both of these, this one every day and then this one as needed. And I have definitely had some relief with these two and my water. And the fifth and final essential for me on my alternate day fasting on the GLP-1 weight loss journey is definitely the Zero app. I definitely need to track my fast because I do get motivated. I feel good about tracking my fast, and I do alternate day fasting, as most of you know, and that is the equivalent of a 36-hour fast. So I do track 36-hour fast. Another thing I wanted to mention is that I did create a poll asking who would be interested in a fasting Facebook group. Now, I know some of my community is GLP-1 community and not necessarily into alternate day fasting or fasting. It doesn't have to be an alternate day faster. Anybody who is fasting or anybody who needs motivation, encouragement, support is welcome to join the Facebook group. I have not created it yet, as I was waiting to see the interest I got. So if you will leave me a comment below letting me know if you're interested in a alternate day fasting or a fasting Facebook group, and I will definitely get that started. If you have any ideas for the name of the group, I'm throwing some ideas around, hoping to get it off its feet the first of the year. So if you're interested in that, then either go and vote on the poll if you don't mind, or leave a comment below so I can see who else is interested in it. For more content like this, hit that subscribe button, like and share this video, and until next time, I will see you in the comments. Bye, friend.